what's up here. Sweet sun deck. Of course, you got their own bar, got their own hot tubs, lots of loungers. Plenty of seating here. Great views up here. It's equivalent to deck 17. Alright, we go here towards the front of the ship. Here at the bow, you got these like Casitas here. Great little place to hang out. I'm talking about. Take this one over here on the end. Home in this one, but if you're lucky enough, you're fortunate enough to get up here onto the sweet sun deck, these Casitas are complimentary. There's no charge to use these, and you got nice views into the solarium. Just a great place to hang out. Go this way, and we find more seating. Nice day bed. Yo, hot tub. More seating for socializing. Bar. Get all your favorite beverages. You're up here. View over the entire ship. And of course, here's me, Mystery Shadow 1969. We're on Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. Hopefully you like this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.